Welcome back to How to University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more creatives to the How to University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you how to sell Canva templates on Etsy. So we're going to head over to Canva and open up our tool, and let's say that you wanted to sell some of your designs that you create from Canva over on Etsy or on your personal blog page. All you have to do is head over to a let's say business card or a business plan, even better. So as you're scrolling through here, these are all digital goods. The only thing you can't do, and I want to go ahead and say this to you guys, is you can't sell the actual template that you see here. So let's say we went to customize and you see everything here and you're like, oh my God, this is perfect. I'm going to sell this to my end user. That is not allowed. But what you can do is, let's say you get on this page here, which is the first page, and you like some of the things that are here. You want to go ahead and make sure that you delete any of these pre-installed things and come up with your own design, and then it is not labeled as a copyrighted item that you would be getting in trouble if you were to sell this. So for an example, I'm going to go ahead and remove these gentlemen's here. We're going to leave the frame in place, and we're going to go over to uploads, and we're going to use images that belong to me or that I've created or that I've found off of websites that allow you to use their content. So for an example, we're going to grab these pair of shoes and we're going to put them here. We're going to delete this block here. So now we have the shoes in place, right? So we're going to go down here below, and let's say that this is a sneakerhead meetup, and it's going to be happening on 10/20/23. And now we're going to add a header to this template here. So we're just going to look for one that makes the most sense and that matches up with this project. So let's go ahead and look for one. So now that we found our template, we're going to go ahead and paste it here and book now. We're going to minimize that size, make sure that everything matches up, maybe even change that background color by selecting it, changing up the font colors to match up on everything here, because remember, branding is important. Now, as you see, I've customized this from the original to something completely different. Now this is something that you have created from scratch, and it'll allow you to use it or sell it on a third-party app. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.